Ever wondered how to build muscle but didn't know where to start? Today, the mysteries of muscle building are about to get unraveled. By the end of this video, the journey to a stronger, more muscular you will become as clear as the summer sky. Firstly, understand that muscle building isn't an overnight process. It requires consistency, determination, and a well-rounded approach. Building muscle is a science, and we're here to break down that science into digestible bits. The first step to muscle building is setting goals. It's essential to know what you want to achieve. Whether it's gaining 10 pounds of muscle or just getting toned, having a clear goal in mind will guide your workout and nutrition plan. Now, on to the workouts. Strength training is key to muscle growth. Incorporate compound movements like squats, bench presses, and deadlifts into your routine. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, promoting overall muscle growth. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Here's a golden rule: quality over quantity. It's not about how long you spend at the gym, but how effectively you use that time. Focus on performing each rep with perfect form. This ensures that the right muscles are working and reduces the risk of injury. Next, we have nutrition. To build muscle, your body needs fuel. This comes from a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is particularly vital as it aids in muscle repair and growth. Aim to consume a gram of protein per pound of your body weight daily. Remember, consistency is the name of the game. Eating well for a week and then resorting back to unhealthy habits won't yield results. Stick to your nutritional plan and watch as your muscles start to grow. Hydration is another crucial aspect often overlooked. Water supports every metabolic process in your body, including muscle building. So make sure you're drinking adequate amounts throughout the day. Lastly, recovery. Your muscles don't grow during workouts, but in the rest periods in between. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's during rest that your body repairs these tears, resulting in muscle growth. So ensure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days between intense workout sessions. Now to summarize the key points discussed. Embarking on a muscle building journey might seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming the strongest version of yourself. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? The road to a more muscular you begins here.